There's one other hormone, and it's called adenosine. Adenosine, okay? Adenosine is your backup system, because I guess somebody knew that we would be kind of stupid, right? And knew, like, we're going to make choices to just stay awake as long as we want to, right? We're going to drive through the night to get there. We're going to just, as I said earlier, the only creature on the planet that chooses not to sleep is a human. Every other animal sleeps, okay? And so we choose not to sleep sometimes, so we have this backup hormone called adenosine. Adenosine is amazing. So what it does is adenosine, right in the morning, just in case you're going to be stupid, okay, adenosine comes in and it says, right when the morning starts, it starts climbing. It doesn't care what cortisol is doing. It doesn't care what melatonin is doing. It just starts climbing, okay? And it climbs, and it climbs, and it climbs. And this is like a sedation. This is a sedating hormone, okay? It makes you sleep, okay? And so what it'll do is if you keep going, it'll eventually hit to a certain point where you'll sleep out of debt, where eventually you will crash. There's only one chemical that we know of that can suppress adenosine when it's going upwards. And do you know what that is? Caffeine. So it's kind of like I'm blowing up this balloon and I'm capping it with a Red Bull, okay? And I keep blowing it up, and the adenosine's the backup system, right? And the balloon is getting massive, and I just keep cramming caffeine into it. But what eventually happens as I keep doing the caffeine? You've had this happen maybe, right? Where all of a sudden it doesn't work and the balloon just blows. And the adenosine comes out, and it, out of sleep debt, creates a crash, okay? So a lot of times we're fighting off fatigue and different things out of sleep debt because of using caffeine to do that, okay?